night. With wings that glide and engines strong, it hums a happy travel song. Airplane up so high, zoom, 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 flying past the clouds, give it room. Over mountains, seas and trees, sailing softly on the breeze. Tiny houses far below look like toys all in a row. The sun is shining, skies are wide, let's take a magic cloud top ride. Airplane up so high, zoom, 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 flying past the clouds, give it room. Over mountains, seas and trees, sailing softly on the breeze. We wave to birds and chase the sun, adventure's just begun. With seats that bounce and trays that slide, we laugh and cheer on a skywide ride. Airplane up so high, now glide, getting ready for the ride. To slide down we go with gentle grace, till wheels touch down, what a place. Sing along with kids. Drip, drop, freedom clap, rain falls down. Panda looks out at the sleepy playtown. He grabs his boots all shiny and red, and pops a hat on his fuzzy head. A splash in a puddle, a twirl in the rain, dancing and skipping down the bamboo lane. Raindrops sparkle like jewels in the sky. Panda giggles as the ducks waddle by. He finds a dry spot under a tree and sips warm tea with honey and glee. The clouds drift off and the sun peeks through. A rainbow shines in every hue. Back home he goes, warm and dry. A panda's rainy day, oh me, oh my. Sing along with kids. 6 little pandas jumping in the pool, splashing and giggling, keeping cool. One did a flip and made a big spray. Too much fun, the others say. Jump, splash, wriggle and play. Pandas swimming all the day in the pool so bright and blue. Pandas laugh and so will you. Five little pandas floating on a ring. One tried to paddle, what a silly thing. He spun around and gave a cheer. This is the best time of the year. They made a wave and rode it fast. Their panda giggles sure did last. With floaties, noodles and water games, they splashed around and called their names. 6 little pandas, what a crew, soaked and smiling through and through. When the sun begins to cool, they'll be back to jump in the pool. Rain falls down, Panda looks out at the sleepy playtown. He grabs his boots all shiny and red, and pops a hat on his fuzzy head. A splash in a puddle, a twirl in the rain, dancing and skipping down the bamboo lane. Raindrops sparkle like jewels in the sky. Panda giggles as the ducks waddle by. He finds a dry spot under a tree and sips warm tea with honey and glee. The clouds drift off and the sun peeks through. A rainbow shines in every hue. Back home he goes, warm and dry. A panda's rainy day, oh me, oh my. Row your dinosaur gently down the stream, in a boat with dino oars, gliding through a dream. Stomp, stomp, splashy feet, tails go swish and spin. Through the jungle down they go with giant toothy grins. Roar, roar, sing a tune underneath the moon, riding waves and catching stars. They'll be home dinosaur, laughing all the way. Adventure ends at Dino Bed. Good night to Dino Play. Sing along with kids. 7 little kittens hiding in a shoe. One popped out and said peek-a-boo. 6 little kittens, snug as they could be. One climbed out to climb a tree. 5 little kittens cuddled near the toe. One tiptoed off. Where did he go? 4 little kittens whispered with glee. One ran off to chase a bumblebee. 3 little kittens playing hide and seek. One leapt out with a playful squeak. 2 little kittens snug in their bed. One jumped out and turned her head. 1 little kitten, not sure what to do. He yawned and curled up inside the shoe. Sing along with kids. Sun shines so bright, wake us up with golden light. Peek through windows stretched so wide, chase the stars and clouds that hide. Warm the flowers, dry the dew, paint the sky a glowing blue. Giggles bloom in morning air, sunshine sprinkles everywhere. Sun, up so high, smiling in the cotton sky. Birds all sing and children play. Thank you, sun, for a brand new day. Sing along with kids.
As I was going up Pippin Hill was dirty. There I met a pretty miss, and she dropped me a curtsy. Little miss, pretty miss, blessings light upon you. If I had half a crown a day, I'd spend it all upon you. Little miss, pretty miss, blessings light upon you. If I had half a crown a day, I'd spend it all upon you.